Lucid is turning the Gravity into a robotaxi with Uber's help. Testing is already underway for the Lucid-based Robotaxi. And Uber will launch the self-driving taxi service in the San Francisco area later in 2026. Lucid, Uber, and Nuro revealed their new gravity-based Robotaxi today at CES 2026. The Robotaxi features high-resolution cameras, lidar, and radar sensors, some of which are mounted in the halo atop the roof. Production will begin at Lucid's factory in Arizona later this year, just before the Robotaxi service launches in the San Francisco Bay Area. The Robotaxis are coming. Waymo has been operating its fleet of autonomous Jaguar I-Paces for some time now, while Amazon Zoo began a ride-hailing service with its self-driving pods in Las Vegas last fall. Tesla already has autonomous Model Y SUVs on Austin roads, and it plans to build its sleek Cybercab later this year. Rimax Verne has already assembled a fleet of prototypes in Croatia. Now Lucid is joining the party. Today at the Consumer Electronics Show, it revealed a new robotaxi based on its Gravity SUV and developed in collaboration with Nuro and Uber. The new autonomous Gravity will be used for a global robotaxi service and features a new Uber-designed in-cabin experience. The upgraded Gravity looks mostly unchanged from its conventional counterpart, but it's equipped with a comprehensive sensor array that includes high-resolution cameras, solid-state lidar sensors, and radar sensors. The sensors are strategically positioned throughout the vehicle's body and on the distinctive roof-mounted halo, which also includes integrated LED lights to help riders identify the correct vehicle and provide status updates throughout the ride. The Gravity uses Nvidia's Drive AGX Thor computing platform, specifically designed for autonomous vehicles, and an autonomous driving system developed by Nuro, a company known for its expertise in robotics and autonomous delivery technology. Inside, there are now interactive screens that allow riders to adjust things like the climate settings and music, and also contact Uber support and request the vehicle to pull over. The displays also provide a real-time visualization for what the robotaxi is seeing in its planned path, including maneuvers it may perform, such as changing lanes and slowing for traffic lights, so that riders are never caught off guard by the vehicle's movements. This transparency is designed to build passenger trust and comfort in autonomous transportation. The Gravity will be able to seat up to 6 passengers, making it ideal for group trips or shared rides. The trio of companies said that autonomous on-road testing began last month, with Nuro testing in the San Francisco Bay Area using prototypes supervised by human operators. This testing phase is crucial for refining the autonomous system's performance in real-world conditions. Production of the Robotaxi is set to begin at Lucid's factory in Arizona later this year. The Robotaxi service, run by Uber, is supposed to launch for the public in the Bay Area soon after. This partnership represents a significant move for Lucid as it seeks to diversify its business model beyond traditional vehicle sales and tap into the rapidly growing autonomous mobility market. For Uber, it marks another step in its strategy to incorporate autonomous vehicles into its ride-hailing network, potentially reducing operational costs while maintaining service quality.